Let's divide 282 divided by 2. Hey math adventurers! If you're having fun learning with me, give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe to Let's Stud for more awesome math adventures. Alright team, let's start with the first digit of 282, which is 2. We'll use this 2 for our first step. How many times does 2 fit into 2? It fits exactly 1 time. 1 times 2 is 2. Let's write that down. Now we subtract 2 from 2, which leaves us with 0. Awesome work, you're doing great. Time to bring down the next digit. Okay, we have 0 from the last step, and we bring down the next digit 8. Now we have 8. We're using the 8 for this step. How many times does 2 fit into 8? It fits 4 times. 4 times 2 is 8. Write it down below the 8. Subtract 8 from 8. What do you get? 0. You got it. Keep up the fantastic work. Let's move on to the last digit. Last step, we have 0 and bring down the final digit 2. We now have 2. This 2 is all ours for this final step. How many times does 2 fit into 2? Just 1 time. 1 times 2 is 2. Perfect. Subtract 2 from 2 and we have 0 left. We're all done. Woohoo, you absolutely crushed it. We've divided 282 by 2. The answer is 141. So 282 divided by 2 is 141. Great job, everyone. We conquered 282 divided by 2 using the steps of long division. Remember, every step is a chance to learn and grow. That's all for today. Keep practicing, and don't forget to check out more fun math videos on Let's Stud.